Hey, super folders, it's me, Tom Angleberger, back one more time. This is another thing from Art2-D2. This one's fast and easy and fun. It's how to draw Jabba the Hutt with just one line. Well, maybe some eyeballs and nostrils added, but those are pretty much just dots. So let's go for it. Are you ready? You put your pen down. You're going to come up. You're going to make a big sideways figure 8. But when you get back to where you started, just keep on going. Uh-oh. Oh no, my pen messed up, but let's still call that one line. Okay, then you come all the way across and back across and back across. That's his big old Jabba the Hutt mouth. Then you're making his arm. That's going to come down here like this. Then you make his tail. It goes off the page a little bit. I should have. There we go. And then he comes back around here and he's got 2 arms there. Give him those big old lizard eyes and a little nostril down there. There you go. That's Jabba the Hutt. Hey, that was not so great. Let's try another one. That's the great thing about these one-liners. You make one. Sometimes it's great. Sometimes it's not. You can go ahead and make another one. Uh-oh. He's going to be short, and I forgot one of his hands. Well, this one's definitely not one. Hey, it's Rada. It's little Rada the Hutt. Hey, Uncle Jabba. Okay, you guys remember Rada, right? Okay, let's try another one. Let's try to get one right here. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. The figure 8. We go up for the head. We come across for the mouth and back and across again. We come down for the arm. Come out here for the tail. Oh yeah, this might be the best of the 3. And there we go. And we give him those big old lizard eyes. And we just give him 2 dots here. There we go. There's Jabba the Hutt with just one line. That one worked out pretty good. You can just keep on drawing these all day until you get one that's really good. Or maybe you're having more fun drawing really bad ones like me. It's Rada again. I wanted to draw one good one before I finished. All right, let's try. Let me try one more time. Let's give it what and okay. All right. Now you see, say you're writing a letter to your grandma. Wouldn't your grandma rather have a picture of Jabba the Hutt than just a stick figure or something? Of course she would. Hey, that's the one. Hey, I got that one. That's the one. That's what we were looking for all along. Okay. All right. There we go. There's Jabba the Hutt with just one line. We finally got one. Yay. All right. There we go. Thanks a lot for tuning in, super folders. Don't forget, I've got a ton of other how to draw, how to fold, how to be a big doofus. Man, that might not be the title of it, but that's basically what all these are about. Hey, thanks a lot for checking us out. Come over to Origami Yoda.com. You can submit what you've drawn or folded. You can see what other people have drawn and folded. We'll all have a good time over there. Thanks a lot, everybody. Check out my other videos. Until I see you again, may the Hutt be with you. No, seriously, may the Force be with you.